put it up. Oh my god.
You can put everything else but what I just said.
Yo, Ashley. I'll rip your boots. Watch it class.
I'll rip your boots. I was like, oh my god. You guys, I want a cookie.
I'll send those.
Ready, Ashley? Ready?
Hello and welcome to the lovely and amazing jewelry show. Today we have our model, Ashley Oakton.
What the? Get that shit away from me! She's like a mentally challenged baby. It fell in my crotch. In my crotch?
Gimme.
I want it.
I just took a shower.
And Jim?
Oh my god.
It's so gross. She's mentally challenged.
I did it.
Ew.
You just burped. You burped like a... You burped in her face.
Back it up. Yeah!
You guys? Okay, I can't take this moment.
Melons.
So Ashley Oakton is high.
Stop. It was that.
What did you just say?
Give me yours, man. I already have brain damage.
Shut up, Jeff.
How dare you touch her phone? Excuse me. How dare you touch her phone? How dare you?
Give me my phone.
Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Oh my.
Hey Ashley. Success. So the fire alarm went off, and we're setting up for our. Hey, Pedro.
Why are you feeling yourself?
Guys, I'm vlogging.
Oh.
Vlog. Yeah, YouTube.com/MatthewLawrence. YouTube.com/MatthewVlogs. And YouTube.com/MatthewVlogs.
I'm gonna go on it.
Okay. Oh my god! Here they come! They're going 5 feet! We're on fire! Why are they... Here they come. Let's go check this out. Here they are. Yeah, I have no idea why the fire alarm went off. I'm talking on the intercom right now. It is here. We have no idea why the fire alarm went off. They're taking their precautions though and bringing all their stuff, which is good because they don't think this is on fire. I think it's either just some weirdo asshole pulled it, or maybe the dust set it off. We've had a lot of problems with the drama club. Yeah, not that good. The teacher, Mr. and Becky. Yeah, they just went in. Are you inside? Okay, thank you. Talk to you, Richard. They went inside. They literally went from there. That's on video. And that's on video. And that's on video.
You got that on video, buddy?
Stop recording everything. You're not cool.
Mr. Becky, what's going on?
What we're going to do is we're going to go back inside now that we know it's safe. We are going to finish the job we were doing, and then we're going to get our things and go home. And on Friday, the band is going to finish anything.
Okay, we're going to finish anything else.
Did you see this? Okay.
And then we're going to go back in.
So let's go in. We just have 10 minutes to work.
Okay. We're going back in now. Okay, we're going back in. Yeah. We have about 10 minutes to work left, and then we should be done. The stage! The stage is gone! Oh, I missed it. Oh, 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 oh!
I'm hungry.
Sexy transition.